In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI social posts with ChatGPT-4o in a simple step-by-step way. If you want to make better captions, save time, and come up with post ideas faster for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or any other platform, this tutorial is going to help a lot. And if you find it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first step is to open ChatGPT and tell it the platform and the topic. This is important because the more specific you are, the better the results will be. For example, instead of saying something vague like write a post, you can say create an Instagram post about fitness motivation. That one sentence already gives ChatGPT-4o a clear direction. It knows the platform, it knows the topic, and it can start generating content that feels more relevant to your audience. Now, once you've given the platform and the topic, the next step is to add the tone and the audience. This is where your post starts sounding more natural and more targeted. You can tell ChatGPT exactly how you want the post to feel. Maybe you want it fun and energetic. Maybe you want it professional and clean. Or maybe you want it emotional and inspiring. At the same time, you should also mention who the post is for. For example, you could say, make it catchy for a young audience with emojis, or write it for business owners in a professional tone. This helps ChatGPT shape the message in a way that connects better with the people you're trying to reach. The third step is to generate multiple post variations. This is one of the best parts because instead of getting just one result, you can ask for several options and compare them. A simple prompt would be, give me 5 variations with captions and hashtags. That way, ChatGPT-4o gives you multiple versions to choose from, which makes it much easier to pick the one that fits your brand best. You might like one caption because it has a strong hook, another because it sounds more conversational, and another because the hashtags are more relevant. Having options saves time and gives you creative flexibility. After that, the fourth step is to refine and customize the result. This is where you take the AI output and make it even better. You can ask ChatGPT to shorten it if it feels too long. You can ask it to add a hook line if you want a stronger opening. You can even say, make it viral style if you want something more attention-grabbing and social media friendly. This back and forth refinement is what makes ChatGPT so useful, because you're not stuck with the first draft. You can keep improving it until it sounds exactly the way you want. A great tip is to keep testing different prompts. If one version feels too generic, add more detail. If it feels too formal, ask for a more casual tone. If it needs more personality, tell ChatGPT to make it punchier, more engaging, or more emotional. The more you guide it, the better your final post will be. This works really well for content creators, marketers, business owners, and anyone who wants to post consistently without spending hours writing from scratch. So the simple formula is this. First, tell ChatGPT the platform and topic. Second, add tone and audience. Third, ask for multiple variations. And fourth, refine the best one until it's ready to post. Once you get used to this process, creating AI social posts becomes fast, easy, and actually fun. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.